Southwoods Health is celebrating a milestone, its 25th anniversary. First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti sat down today with CEO Ed Muransky to look back on a quarter-century of healthcare.
Ed Muransky remembers what it was like in the early 90s when he first broached the idea of building a for-profit healthcare facility in Boardman.
Back then it wasn't easy. It was something viewed that was an attack against the hospitals. It wasn't looked at as pro-Youngstown as it is and pro-community as it is now.
But 25 years ago this month, Southwoods Health welcomed its first patients. Its CEO tells me at a time when local hospitals in the area were suffering financially, he was hearing about what he calls the inefficiencies of health care in the valley, coupled with the migration of people moving out of the inner city.
As more and more things moved to outpatient, as more and more things moved to the suburbs, and as places closed, we really continue to do the same thing.
Muransky says since Southwoods first opened, medical technology has continued to evolve and improve, moving further and further away from requiring long hospital stays, focusing on outpatient care.
It's grown 500% the type of procedures that you're able to have. I mean, who would have ever thought that, you know, somebody healthy like you could maybe have a knee and go home the same day?
Today, Southwoods has 1,000 employees at more than a dozen locations in the four-county area. Muransky says while his overall plan is to keep patients from needing to leave the area for their care, he also admits patients want some things even closer to home.
And those things, Jerry, are for the things that you and I don't want to travel more than a mile or two from.
Right now, Muransky says there are several locations around the area that are being built or developed as standalone healthcare facilities in addition to the main Southwoods campus. One of them is right here along Youngstown-Poland Road in Boardman near the Struthers line. Two others are in Columbiana County. Coming up at 6, we'll hear more from Muransky on his future plans for Southwoods, as well as his view of the future of healthcare in the valley. In Boardman, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.